Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you liked my previous videos. So, adding towards this segment of our extra questions, I'm here with the extra questions of first poem from English of class 9, which is The Road Not Taken. So, starting with the questions, I'm here with my very first question, which is the poem is written by, and the answer to the question is Robert Frost. As these are very short questions, so I will explain a bit fast, and for the rest of the short questions, I will explain a bit more. Question number third is the poet felt sorry because answer he could not travel on both the roads. Yeah, we know that he was sorry because he wasn't able to travel on both the roads. At one time, he can travel only one road. Next question is the poet took the road. Answer the one less traveled by. The road which was more greener, which was less traveled by people, was chose by poet. Next question is the poem depicts, and the answer is choices we make in life. It is very clear from the poem that the two roads depicts the different choices, different options we got in our life. It is obvious that we can't have all the options at one time. Out of two options, we have to choose one. So, the next question is the entire poem is a, and the answer to the question is a metaphor. Now, it is important to understand the meaning of metaphor. So, metaphor is basically a figure of speech that shows comparison between two things. And in this poem, we know that road is a metaphor for choices in our life. The next question is what is a wood? Answer to the question is, as the name suggests, wood is used for a mini forest. So, a cluster of trees growing wild, or I can say a mini forest. Next question is, what did the poet see in the yellow wood? Yellow wood means that forest was covered with yellow leaves. Answer to the question is, the poet saw two paths diverging in different directions. Question number 9 is, how was one path different from the other? We all know that one was much greener than the other, which shows that it was less traveled by other. So basically the answer is one was greener, it had more grass and seemed less used as compared to the other. Question number 10th, we have which path had been walked on that morning before the poet traveled on one? Answer is none of them had been used because it was a morning time, so none of the road had been used. Question number 11 is, when the poet chose one of the paths, what did he hope to do? Answer is, come back and try the other path. Sorry, here is a typing mistake. Try will be in place of fry. So, when he went on to one of the paths, so he wished that the next morning he will come back and try the another one. So, the segment of short question is from here. The very first short question we have, why did the poet look down as far as he could? Answer is, the poet was unhappy that he could not take that road as he chose the other one, and that is why he looked as far as he could. We know that he can choose only one road at one time, so that's why he looked as far as possible to the other road so as to satisfy him. Question number 13 is, explain grassy and wanted where. This is a phrase from the poem. So the answer to the question is, the road was covered with grass as not many people had walked this road, so it was more inviting. That's why the poet chose that road, because he find it more appealing as it was less traveled by people. Next question is, as a symbol, what does road signify in the poem? As I already told you that road is a metaphor for choices. So answer is, as a symbol, road signifies choices or opportunities in life and the decisions and choices one has to make in life. So moving towards our next question, which is question number 15. What does the road symbolize in the poem? How much important is it to take the right road in life? Now they are asking you students that how much it is important to take the right road. Road means choice. How much it is important to take a right choice in life? So answer we have, the two roads symbolize the choices that one has to make in life. It is very important to make the right choice because we can never retrace our path and go back. One road would lead on to another and there is no coming back. Means if we have taken one decision, we have to move forth only according to that. We can't come back and again make a choice and move further. So we have to make choices or decisions wisely. Next question is, the poet kept the other road for another day. Was he able to travel back on that road? Explain. They are asking that was he able to go back and chose the another road? Is it possible for us that once we have taken a decision, can we retrace it? Can we go back and take another decision? Author had kept the other road for some other time. He could never come back as the road he took lead to other roads. Each road taken would have something new for him to explore. There was no coming back to that road again. Okay, the next question is, the poet has compared life to a fork in the path to show the decisions we need to take in life. What would a comparison of life depicts? So the answer to the question is, the comparison of life depicts the ups and downs. Okay, the life is full of ups and downs. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad. Some changes of life makes us happy and the other makes us sad. So our 18th question is, this is like very important question. Discuss the significance of the title, The Road Not Taken. Answer is, it depicts the feeling of regret. Yes, as the name suggests, the poet was feeling remorse. He was regretted that he wasn't able to choose the road other than from the one which he chose. So it depicts the feeling of regret. After making a choice, he was plagued with the idea of not making the other choice. He regrets not adopting the other cause, the other road, the other choice. Sometimes we have same feeling that why don't we have the other choice? Why haven't we make that choice? Why we opt to this choice on which we are moving? So even when we do well, often making a choice, we keep thinking of the games and success which could have been ours if we had taken the other choice. This is like a human nature. Next question is, I hope you all are understanding the questions. Okay, next question is, why did the poet keep the first road for another day? Answer is, once the poet had to make a decision as to which road he should travel out of two in front of him, he examines both the roads and finds the other road less traveled. He didn't want to follow a beaten track and decides to take the other road and keep the first road for some day, but somewhere in his mind he is troubled with the thought that he may not be able to do so. Okay, I hope you have understood the question or answer as well. Next question is, what does the choice made by the poet indicates about his personality in the poem The Road Not Taken? Now they are asking us about how you feel, that what kind of character the poet had. Answer is, this line reveals the adventurous nature of the poet because when he had to take a decision of making a choice, he didn't take the beaten track. He chooses a path which is not frequented. He decides to leave the first road for some other day, knowing fully well that he will not get a chance to go back to it. It means we have understood that the poet was an adventurous person, so he chose that road which was less traveled by people. It clearly shows that people usually take those choices, those roads which are easy. It means the number of travelers on that choice will be more, but the poet chooses the another road which was less traveled by people. It means he was an adventurous person. He was ready to take all sort of risks he will face on that road. Next question is, the title The Road Not Taken is an appropriate title for the poem. Comment or justify the title The Road Not Taken. What you guys think, whether the title is appropriate or not? According to me, the title is very much appropriate because the poet had regret that why he wasn't able to choose the other road. So that's why he gave a perfect title, The Road Not Taken. Now answer is, the title brings out the theme of the poem in which every person at some stage of his life comes across a situation where he has to make a choice. We all know that. The decision taken to do things differently makes one stands out of the crowd. As poet was depicted as an adventurous person, he was different from the crowd because he chose that road which was less traveled by people. The title is figurative as the road symbolizes the dilemmas of life. The perfect meaning for dilemma is asmanjas, where we are confused, which road we should opt for. The title The Road Not Taken is fully justified. Next question is, what is the theme of the poem The Road Not Taken? Again, it's an important question. Answer is, the theme of the poem is that one should accept the challenges in his life. Man should dare to walk on the untrodden path and take risk. As the poet suggests us that we should be adventurous in our life, we should go for those choices which are rarely opted by people. So we should go for choices which are different from the choices of other people. Tough challenges have far-reaching consequences. They can change a person's life. You will become a good person or a skillful person, I can say, only if you face more and more challenges in your life. Those challenges will sharpen your skills. The turning out result will be far better than. So, thank you so much guys for watching my video. For the same kind of informative content, you can like, share and subscribe to my channel NCERT on Go. And please, in case of any queries or if you want extra questions of some other subject or some other chapter, please do comments in the comment section. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning.